Welcome everyone to question number 11, implement ATOI from the topic strings in Geek for Geeks must do coding interview questions. Just have a quick look at the question and we're discussing the meaning and approach to it. And before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any extra email IDs, please use those to support our channel. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below and we will be very quick to respond. Now let's understand the question and the meaning behind it. Okay. The question is saying that a string character is being given to us. First example here we're taking is 123, okay, and we'll be doing another example after. In this example, we got a string 123 and we have to convert it into a integer. Okay, how can we do that? We can simply use an int operator here to the str variable. Just use int and keep the str variable or the string character or the string variable inside the function of int, right? Now this will directly convert, okay? It will convert automatically to integer. But there is a small problem here. It will only convert to integer if the integer characters are present inside the string. For example, 1, 2, 3 are integer characters, so we don't have a problem, okay? Even if minus 1, 2, 3 is there, it will convert it. But there will be a problem if any other character comes. So like I'm taking another example 1, minus 2, 3, okay? This time the int operator won't treat it as an integer because the minus operator is coming, the minus symbol is coming in between here, so it won't recognize it as an integer, so it will throw us an error. To avoid that error, we are going to use try block here. Okay, we're going to use try block here and except block here. In except block, what we are doing is if examples like this come, like 1 dash 2 3, if these types of example come, it will come to except block. Okay, will accept the value error. This is known as the value error. Okay, if the error is coming, if the dash is in between, if any other character other than dash comes in between, then also we get the value error. So we accept the value error here. Okay, we accept the value error and we return -1 in this case. We return -1 if the value is not a proper integer. But if it is a proper integer like -123 or 123, then it will automatically convert into a integer format in the try block here. Then we can just return this integer. Okay, I hope you have understood the given examples and how they are working inside the try and except block. If you still haven't understood, let's go to the coding section and I hope you will get the more clear idea of that. Now we're inside the coding section here, and as we discussed, we are using try and except block here. We are going to try to convert a string into an integer. Okay, if it has all the integer characters inside the string, then it will convert successfully. But if the integer characters are not present, okay, then it will accept the value error. Okay, it throws an error, so it will go to the except block and it will return -1 to the function. Okay, if everything is fine, it will return the converted value of integer. I hope you have understood the meaning of the question and also the code and approach to it. If you like the video, give us a like, and if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe with those and show your support. Thank you for watching till then. Let's meet in another question.